In the quietude of her bedroom, Saara seeks refuge, clutching her cherished stuffed bunny as shadows dance gently around her. Her eyes gently close as a serene expression graces Saara's face. The scene is set for a magical dream as Saara peacefully drifts into sleep. Adrift on a cotton candy cloud, Saara awakens to a celestial serenade under a canopy of shimmering stars. A golden star, with a twinkle in its eye, cheerfully announces, "Hello, Saara. Welcome to the Dreamy Cloud Adventure." With a mix of wonder and curiosity, Saara softly asks, "Where are we going?" A cloud rushes forward, sailing through a celestial realm of glowing rainbows and moonlit waterfalls. In a garden of wonders, Saara's laughter echoes as a winged kitten lands gently on her lap. Drawn into a fairy dance, Saara spins and laughs, feeling lighter than air amidst the dream's enchantment.